The process behind this Coca-Cola? We'll show you how it's made. Watch the full video and hit subscribe.
Seals checked and verified. You are cleared to proceed to Bay 3.
Understood. Thank you.
The water first passes through carbon filters and reverse osmosis membranes. Then, in the deaeration chamber,
the syrup is now ready for its destiny.
The true difficulty isn't making one perfect bottle, it's making 1 million perfect bottles in a single hour. People trust this taste.
Line 4, optimal.
Batch code P123A confirmed clear. Ready to proceed.
Understand the responsibility. It's not a job that stops at 5 p.m. We work day and night, shifting through the dark hours.
We work hard day and night, not just for a paycheck, but for the millions who make the choice to pick up that iconic red.
So these final readings here are all green. We had a smooth run with the Coke cases.
All right, looks good. The cleaning crew is already starting.
Pallet retrieval confirmed. Location, Sector 4, Alpha Row, Bay 12. Scanning complete.
Confirm dispatch for Sioki pallet ASRS-7B-42 to Dock 9.
People don't see the physical grind. Moving this amount of product, literally mountains of RED cases, in a controlled environment, 24/7.
Bring that row all the way to the front. We need to balance the weight on the left side.
Copy that, moving now.
My job is the last touch before it leaves the factory floor. When I see that red pack leave on the truck, I know it's heading to a family picnic or a dinner table.
Clear the bay, fresh pallet coming through.
We need more hands on line 3. Keep them moving.
This truck's almost full. Morning. Here's the delivery manifest.
Thanks. I'll take that back there.